Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. These tools will help you navigate the delicate components of your ASUS GU603Z without causing any damage. First, power off your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, flip the laptop over to access the screws on the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using the plastic spudger. Take your time with this step to avoid cracking the casing. After the back panel is removed, locate the battery connector. Disconnect the battery to ensure that there is no power running through the device while you work. Now turn your attention to the keyboard. You will need to remove the screws that secure the keyboard in place. These are typically located around the edges of the keyboard. Again, use your Phillips screwdriver for this task. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any hidden screws that may be holding it in place. With the screws removed, gently lift the keyboard from the chassis. Be cautious of any ribbon cables that may still be connected. If you see any, use your tweezers to carefully disconnect them. This is a delicate process, so take your time to avoid damaging the connectors. At this point, it's a good idea to clean the area beneath the keyboard. Dust and debris can accumulate over time, affecting the performance of your laptop. Use a soft brush or compressed air to clean the internal components gently. Now, take your new keyboard and align it with the connectors. Carefully reconnect any ribbon cables, ensuring they are securely attached. Once everything is in place, lower the keyboard back into the chassis and replace the screws you removed earlier. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help. Our service includes a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can be sure of what needs to be done before proceeding. After securing the keyboard, reconnect the battery and replace the back panel. Ensure all screws are tightened properly to avoid any loose components. Finally, power on your laptop to test the new keyboard. Check each key to ensure they are functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved without any surprises. Remember, no calls, no travel. We make it convenient for you to get your laptop back in working order without the hassle. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.